In this video we have listed the top 5 best electric shaver on existing market.
We made this list based on my personal opinion. And I tried to list them based on their price, durability, features, customer review and many more things.
Are you new viewers? You should connect with us clicking by subscribe button, then press the bell icon for next updates. Best of 5. 1 blade electric trimmer. Rechargeable 1 blade can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. Shave any length, not as close as a traditional blade, so your skin stays comfortable. Trim it down, click on combs for a fast and even trim in all the right places. Edge it up, dual-sided blade for precise edging to line up your style easier than ever before. Replaceable 1 blade lasts up to 4 months. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Electric razor for men. The Panasonic Arc 4 men's electric razor system, with 4 ultra-sharp Arc 4 nanotech trademark blades for quick, clean wet-dry shaver comfort and convenience. Ultra-thin, stainless steel multi-fit Arc 4 foil conforms gently to facial contours for outstanding shaving machine closeness and results. Flexible pivoting Panasonic Arc 4 electric razor shaving head glides effortlessly over face, chin, neck, and jaw. Panasonic ES8243A is 100% waterproof for convenient wet-dry shaver convenience. A high-performance Arc 4 linear motor drive delivers 13,000 cuts per minute and maintains peak power up to the end. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. Lithium-powered grooming kit. Self-sharpening, surgical steel blades for long-lasting durability. Washable attachments, just rinse under the faucet to clean. Lithium power with up to 65 minutes of consistent cordless runtime. Storage pouch included, great for travel within the United States. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. Norelco electric shaver. Comfortable, easy shave. The Shaver 3100 gives you an easy and convenient shave with more comfort for an affordable price. Comfort cut blade system, rounded edges move smoothly over skin for a protective shave. Can be used corded and cordless. 4-direction flex heads flex in 4 directions to easily shave every curve of your face and neck. Lithium-ion power, consistent maximum power year after year. One touch open, shaver can be easily rinsed clean under the tap. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. Men's electric foil shaver. Bronze Series 7 is a smart shaver that reads and adapts to your beard. Innovative sonic technology helps capture even hard-to-catch hair with 10,000 micro vibrations. The intelligent auto-sensing motor enables shaving even dense beards with ideal efficiency. 5 turbo/sensitive modes adjust the shaver for extra power or gentleness at the push of a button. Check the description for best price and details.